muscles are indispensable to our daily lives, acting as the engines that power movement and provide stability and support. Without muscles, even the simplest actions, such as lifting a glass of water or walking across a room, would be impossible. They are critical for physical movement, maintaining posture, and generating heat. The human body contains over 600 muscles, each uniquely designed to perform specific functions. From powerful muscles that help athletes sprint to the subtle ones enabling us to smile, every muscle has its own role. They also protect vital organs and contribute to metabolic processes. Understanding how muscles work can deepen our appreciation of the body's capabilities and the importance of muscle health. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to harness the power within your muscles for a healthier, more active life. Muscles can be broadly classified into three categories: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Each type of muscle serves distinct functions and operates differently, yet all are integral to the body's function. Skeletal muscles are what most people think of when they hear the word muscle. These are the muscles attached to our bones and under our voluntary control. They enable us to perform tasks such as walking, running, and lifting. Smooth muscles, on the other hand, function involuntarily. They are located in the walls of hollow organs like the intestines and blood vessels, playing a vital role in processes such as digestion and circulation. The cardiac muscle is a specialized type found only in the heart. Like smooth muscles, cardiac muscles function involuntarily, yet their structure resembles that of skeletal muscles in some ways. The heart muscle's primary role is to pump blood throughout the body, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach every cell while waste products are removed. Understanding the different types of muscles and their specific functions helps us appreciate the complexity and efficiency of the human body. Skeletal muscles are perhaps the most recognized type of muscle in the body, known for their ability to produce voluntary movements. These muscles are attached to bones by tendons, creating a lever system that facilitates movement. When you decide to move your arm or leg, it's the skeletal muscles that spring into action, contracting to pull on the bones and create motion. Each skeletal muscle is composed of bundles of muscle fibers, which are in turn made up of smaller units called myofibrils. These myofibrils contain the proteins actin and myosin, which are essential for muscle contraction. The arrangement of these proteins gives skeletal muscles their striated appearance under a microscope. Skeletal muscles are highly adaptable, capable of increasing in size and strength with regular exercise. This adaptability is evident in activities like weightlifting, where muscles grow in response to increased demand. The voluntary nature of skeletal muscles allows for precise control and coordination. The ability to consciously control these muscles gives us the flexibility to adapt to different situations, making skeletal muscles indispensable for everyday life. Smooth muscles operate without conscious control, performing essential functions that keep the body running smoothly. These muscles are found in the walls of hollow organs, such as the stomach, intestines, and blood vessels, where they facilitate processes like digestion and circulation. By contracting and relaxing in a coordinated manner, smooth muscles move food through the digestive tract and regulate blood flow, ensuring that the body's tissues receive the nutrients and oxygen they need. The involuntary nature of smooth muscles means they work without conscious effort, freeing us from the need to think about every heartbeat or breath. The reliability and efficiency of smooth muscles demonstrate their importance in the seamless operation of the body's internal functions. Section 5. Cardiac muscle, the heart's powerhouse. Cardiac muscle is a remarkable type of muscle found exclusively in the heart, responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. This continuous activity is crucial for sustaining life, as it ensures the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to tissues and the removal of waste products. The cardiac muscle's ability to contract rhythmically and without fatigue is a testament to its specialized structure and function. Like skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles have a striated appearance due to the organized arrangement of actin and myosin filaments. However, cardiac muscle cells are uniquely connected by intercalated discs, which allow electrical impulses to pass rapidly between cells. This connectivity enables the heart to contract as a coordinated unit, creating powerful contractions that efficiently pump blood with each heartbeat. Cardiac muscle operates involuntarily, driven by an intrinsic electrical conduction system that regulates heart rate and rhythm. The heart's ability to maintain a steady rhythm is vital for ensuring consistent blood flow, even during physical stress or rest. The heart's efficiency and resilience highlight the importance of maintaining cardiovascular health, as a healthy heart is essential for overall well-being and longevity. Section 6. The mechanics of muscle contraction. Muscle contraction is an intricate process that allows muscles to generate force and produce movement. This process is explained by the sliding filament theory, which describes how actin and myosin filaments within muscle fibers interact to create contraction. When a muscle receives a signal to contract, myosin heads attach to actin filaments, pulling them closer together and shortening the muscle. At the core of muscle contraction is the interaction between actin, myosin, and adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. ATP provides the energy needed for myosin heads to bind to actin and perform the power stroke that pulls the filaments past each other. The sliding filament theory emphasizes the role of calcium ions in muscle contraction. When a muscle is stimulated by a nerve impulse, calcium ions are released from the sarcoplasmic reticulum into the muscle fiber. These ions bind to a protein called troponin, causing a change in the position of tropomyosin, which exposes binding sites on actin for myosin to attach. This sequence of events allows the muscle to contract and generate force. Section 7. Nerve activation and muscle control. The process of muscle contraction begins with nerve activation, an essential mechanism that bridges the communication gap between the nervous system and muscles. Motor neurons, specialized nerve cells, send electrical signals to muscle fibers, initiating the contraction process. This communication is crucial for coordinating movement and allowing the body to respond to external stimuli. At the heart of this process is the neuromuscular junction, where the motor neuron interfaces with the muscle fiber. When a nerve impulse reaches the neuromuscular junction, it triggers the release of neurotransmitters, chemical messengers that convey the signal to the muscle. Acetylcholine, the primary neurotransmitter involved, binds to receptors on the muscle fiber, opening ion channels that allow calcium ions to flow into the cell. The influx of calcium ions is the key to muscle activation. These ions bind to troponin, a regulatory protein, initiating a series of events that lead to muscle contraction. Nerve activation is a highly efficient system, enabling rapid and precise control over muscle movement. Section 8. Muscle growth and repair. The process of hypertrophy. Muscle growth and repair are dynamic processes that occur in response to physical activity, particularly strength training. This process, known as hypertrophy, involves the increase in size and strength of muscle fibers, allowing the body to adapt to increased demands. Hypertrophy is driven by the repetitive stress placed on muscles during exercise, which causes small tears in the muscle fibers. The body responds to these micro-tears by initiating a repair process, fusing muscle fibers together and increasing their size. This repair process is facilitated by satellite cells, specialized cells that proliferate in response to muscle damage. These cells fuse with existing muscle fibers, contributing additional nuclei that support greater protein synthesis and enhanced muscle growth. Regular exercise not only increases muscle size but also boosts mitochondrial density within muscle cells. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of cells responsible for producing ATP, the energy currency needed for muscle contraction. An increase in mitochondrial density enhances the muscle's capacity for energy production, improving endurance and overall performance during physical activities. Section 9. Strength training, a path to longevity and quality of life. Strength training is an essential component of maintaining a healthy lifestyle, offering numerous benefits for longevity and quality of life. Engaging in regular strength training exercises such as weightlifting or resistance training can significantly enhance muscle strength and endurance. These improvements translate into better functional capacity, allowing individuals to perform daily tasks with ease and reducing the risk of injury. One of the key benefits of strength training is its potential to slow biological aging. Research has shown that engaging in strength training for as little as 90 minutes per week can protect telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of DNA strands. Longer telomeres are associated with reduced cellular aging, suggesting that strength training can contribute to a longer, healthier life. Beyond its anti-aging effects, strength training offers broader health benefits. It can improve metabolic rate, support weight management, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease. By understanding the advantages of strength training, individuals can take proactive steps to harness the power within their muscles and achieve a healthier, more active lifestyle.